Creative Rural Communities is the Vale of Glamorgan Council's Rural Regeneration Initiative. We support communities and enterprises to trial and develop ideas for the benefit of the rural Vale, which can be shared with the rest of Wales, the UK and Europe. Across the Vale of Glamorgan, people are dreaming up innovative ideas with the potential to take communities and enterprises in the rural Vale in exciting directions. But great ideas on their own are often not enough. They need help to grow, to reach their full potential. Creative Rural Communities believe that no dream is truly ever out of reach. We can help and support great ideas and start them on their journey to becoming a reality by sharing our experiences and knowledge, passing on advice and funding, and helping your seed to grow into something big. Our strategy covers 5 themes. Attractive Vale. We would like to hear your ideas about piloting new tourism initiatives or projects that develop the local identity. Business Innovation Laboratory. Enabling you to trial new products or processes and creating new networks that benefit your business community. Evolving Communities. We can support you to explore new ways of delivering services, facilities and activities that benefit your community. Green Community Energy. Helping you to identify the energy needs and opportunities in your community and work with you to investigate them further. Exploiting Digital Technology. Supporting you to make the most of digital opportunities in your community or business. We'll support you to be innovative, collaborate with others and build new partnerships. Share your learning, evaluate, trial and learn from your experiences, recognizing that not everything will succeed. All big dreams start with a seed. They just need a little support to help them on their way. Got the idea? Get in touch.